Hi friends, welcome to Calm in the Chaos Homeschool. So today I have something new for you. This is a Timberdoodle grade 6 curriculum kit unboxing. I'm really excited to show you what I got in my box. I totally did customize it. I got the classic kit and I really customized it. So you're not going to see the basic kit or the elite kit or anything like that. You're going to see my customized version of this kit. Just so you know, I have never worked with Timberdoodle before today. This is my first order from them. They are partnering with me on this unboxing as well as curriculum reviews that I will be doing with the things in this box. Just so you know, however, I am still free to share my honest opinion with you. I am under no obligation to say things that I don't think. So I'm really excited about going through this box with you. I think there's some really cool stuff in there and I think you're really going to enjoy what I picked in here. On top of that, I never did anything for my hitting 5,000 subscribers. I am so appreciative to all of you and I wanted to do something for all of you who watch my videos. So I did get 2 curriculum kits. So this is the grade 6 curriculum kit. The next one I'm going to show you is the grade 8 curriculum kit. And I wanted to give back to you and say thank you for subscribing to my channel and following with me on this journey. So I'm going to be giving you a $30 gift card. So on each video, I'm going to be giving away a $30 gift card of your choosing if you win the giveaway. And I'm just going to let you know right now the terms of the giveaway. The terms of the giveaway are, as I'm going through this box, I would like you to let me know what are the things that you want me to show flip-throughs of, reviews, more in-depth looks at. I'm going to be making some reviews on some of these, but I want to cover the ones that you are most interested in. So that is how you get an entry to win in this video. Comment below which items you would like to see a little more in-depth on. And then if you want an entry for my next giveaway, come back next week when I'm doing a curriculum kit unboxing for grade 8, and it'll be the same. Just let me know which items you would like to see. I will be picking the winner for each $30 gift card in 2 weeks from this video going out. So that will give you a chance to watch my other video, to enter to win that gift card as well. And if you are on that video and you haven't watched this one, you can come here and watch this one and get a chance to win this $30 gift card. So I'm doing 2 30s because I'm hoping to hit 6,000 subscribers soon. You guys have already been so great. I'm already at over 5,500. So I'm hoping that number will come soon. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I really appreciate you all. So first thing I want to say about Timberdoodle. I made this order and then I got an email saying that give them 5 to 7 days to put my kit together. So I was a little bit surprised when I would say less than 48 hours from my order, this humongous 50-pound box showed up at my house. So it did have both of my kits in here. So I have had to go through and take out the 8th grade stuff and keep the 6th grade stuff in here to show you. But I haven't looked at everything in depth. But I was really surprised at how fast it was. I do live in Washington State, and Timberdoodle is a Washington company. So that makes sense that it came here so quickly. However, that processing time was super fast. All right, so that was fun. It comes in this really fun box. As you can see, it has like designs so kids can like color on it. And let's get started and take a look at what's in this box. So first of all, I've already looked at the packing slip because I had to know, like I said, what was in each kit so I could make sure I was showing the 6th grade things here. But they have packing slips here. There are 4 pages of packing slips. It's fun. On the back, they have like an extreme dot to dot that my daughter already did. And on the back of this is like a mind benders. And so it's just showing you different critical thinking things. I think she looked at this and said, no. It's a little more complicated than she wanted to do, but that was kind of fun. At the back of their packing slips, they use like critical thinking companies, mind benders, or they were using the extreme dot to dot. It's just stuff that they use in their company. All right, so let's see what we have in here. All right, first thing here on top is the Thinking Toolbox, 35 lessons that will build your reasoning skills. You guys have probably seen The Fallacy Detective. We do have that book. I'm planning on doing that book this year. So this one might come after that book. So we're gonna see, we'll see what we do with this, but I am planning on doing the one that comes before this upcoming school year. And I do want to let you know that when I went through and picked these Timberdoodle items, I had already planned out my upcoming school year. So some of these things are going to be supplemental things. Some of these things I might use this year, I might use next year. I'm really thinking ahead when I made this order as far as what grades my kids are going to be at. I do like to do a lot of family subjects. So I'll just explain it as I bring some of these things out here. All right, I have here, it is the Spelling You See Instructor's Handbook. I do have in here, well, you'll see the other kit. One of my kids is on G, and so I just wanted to get F because we love Spelling You See. So we are ready for when she is ready for F. Okay, I have this here. This is Berean Builders Science. This is Science in the Atomic Age. So this is a series, and I think this is the last of the series. And I got this one because I believe this one is intended for more of the middle school level. So this is sort of the last of the series, and it's more for middle school. And so I got this with the thought that I might do something like this with my boys, really in 8th or 9th grade. I am not scared to use middle school curriculum for 9th grade in particular. 9th grade, it's the beginning of high school. I don't feel like kids are like always full on ready for high school stuff. So I just got that for my boys in 9th grade or 8th grade, we'll see. And I have the answer key and tests here. So I will take a look at that and see what I think. And we'll see if that comes up in future curriculum picks. Okay, and then we have, to go along with that Spelling You See, the actual Spelling You See, 2 booklets, and I'm sure they have those erasable color pencils in there. So Spelling You See F. All right, I got these because we have been doing a lot of color by number mosaic by mind benders because we've been doing listening therapy in our home, and it's just been a fun thing to do. So I thought we'd get some really cool colored pencils. So my 8th grader was super excited about these because they are good quality. So we're excited about using those. We can get to those right away. Okay, I have Stealing Home by Jay Torres and David Namasoto. So it's a graphic novel, and I believe from what I know about this is it is about the Japanese, what were they called? Internment camps. So that's something that we will probably be studying more next year because we never got to that part of history this year, but I will put it away and I will use it when we get to that part of history. Okay, so this one I'm super excited about, and so is my 8th grader. So even though this is a 6th grade kit, I did not purchase it for my 6th grader in particular. It is just a combination of things that I will be using with any or all of my kids. So this is Photography for Teens. This is an online program, and this is just the workbook. So it has some different sections in here. I believe it has 18 lessons. And it is for 14 and up. So this is actually intended for high school, a half credit in photography. My 8th grader has been asking to do photography, and I've been looking for a course for her to take. And so I like that you don't need any special equipment. You can just use an iPhone or your camera on your phone. And so this was just perfect for us this year. So this we will be using this year. And I will definitely let you know how that goes. All right, we have the first 5 books of the history of US or us. I like the history of us better than the history of US, but we have first 5 books. Like I said, I customized this, so this is not what they would have in their original elite package, but I think I will probably be using these. And if not, my youngest is super into information, and these are actually really nice now that I'm looking inside. I like the pictures. They are partially color, not all color, but there are some color things. So I don't know. I think it's nice. I think I'm just going to try to build up this set. I've heard both good things and bad things about this, but I feel like the good that I've heard outweighs the bad. So I'm excited to start building this collection here. All right, I have Mixed by Me, create your own holographic putty. So I don't know. I'm sure all my kids will enjoy this. And this is the sort of stuff that I don't generally buy for my kids or homeschool. We don't have money for extras like this, so I'm very grateful to Timberdoodle for partnering up with me so we get to try out some of this really fun STEM sort of stuff. So we'll let you know how these things go. All right, we have Grizzly Gears. So a logic called Smart Games. I don't know. I think my kids will enjoy that. 7 to adult. So just a game. And this was a free gift. When you purchase a certain amount from Timberdoodle, they let you pick a free gift. So this is Tally Ho, Who's Hunting Whom. So it looks like another logic game. I apologize for the glare. So another logic game. And, oh, okay, another package here that I haven't opened. Let me open this up so I can see what's inside. Okay, I have it here. Okay, so we have Timberdoodle 6th grade curriculum handbook. And I know nothing about this. So I will be going through, I guess, and taking a look. I have no idea what's in here or what that's for. So there's that. And we have the Basics of Critical Thinking by the Critical Thinking Company. And I did look at the pages here online just to see if it's something I might want to use. And it's just more logic stuff. So I am not sure. We'll see if this is something that I would want to do with my boys. It says grades 4 to 9. So they are going to be 6th and 7th grade. So they should be able to handle this. So that might be something I add. Maybe when they've completed something that we already have scheduled on their loop, this could be something that they get to start doing sometime next year. Probably not the beginning of the year, but sometime next year. Okay, and you guys, if you've been here, you guys know that I really enjoy Easy Grammar. And Easy Grammar was one of the language arts things that were available. And so this is a teacher, what is it? This is the teacher edition. So it has both the answers on one side and the activity on the other side. So this is one that I would be probably photocopying for my kids, or more likely I would buy the grade 6 workbook because I'm not going to do this much photocopying. But the reason why I picked up grade 6 is I think that grade 6 is just such a good, that's just a good medium level that my kids should be able to use in many of the grades. So we would not go through all of this in 1 year. My daughter, who's currently in 8th grade, she's finishing up grade 4 right now. So grade 6 would actually be the perfect level for me to move her into. And then when my boys need extra help with grammar, I feel like this is just a good grade. It should cover, I feel like with grammar, you want to cover the basics. But you don't have to, unless your child is super advanced. You don't have to get into look how big this is. I think if you know this much grammar, you're probably pretty okay in your life. So I just thought this was a good, nice level just to have in my home and have available to use whenever I need to do something with grammar. All right, and then I have these 2 books here. So these 2 here. And so we have A Family Secret by Eric Hoovel and Freight House in cooperation with the Resistance Museum of Friesland. So I don't know anything about this, but I think these 2 books go together, and this must have to do with the Holocaust or the Jewish people hiding, I believe. So there's that, and it says also available the search. So this is also about that time era, which I said we have not gotten to, and we probably won't get to these until sometime next year. We are planning on restarting in ancient times, so we will be moving our way up into more modern history. Again, once we hit modern history the second time, I'm planning on going much more in depth into the stuff that we never covered because we just never finished. Never finished modern history. Okay, and then really, what do I have left? I have a bunch of papers here. I see two things here. Okay, I have Typing Instructor Gold, a little disc here for Windows, just a typing program that we're going to try out. We've been using typing.com, and that's been fine, but sometimes you just need something different. So we have that, and I have no idea what this is. This might not even be for this kit. This might be for another kit that we have. So I don't know. I don't know what that's for. Could be for the 8th grade kit. I guess we'll find out eventually once we start using what we have here. So yeah, I think we're done. I think that is what I got in my 6th grade kit. And so there's one more thing that's not in this box because they sent it to me in my email, but it is Have I Got a Story for You, or HiGASFY. It is like an art history course. I believe there are 12 online lessons, and then they include an activity for you to do. We got the Renaissance because we're just going back to medieval and ancient times, and so I thought I'd start with the Renaissance. So that's another thing that we will be doing, and I definitely am planning on doing that for art in this upcoming school year. So what I did not get in my 6th grade kit, just so you know, when you order a kit from Timberdoodle, there are 5 main categories that they want you to order from. However, you only have to order from 3 of them. So I did not get math because we like our math that we use. So I did not get math. And then I don't think I got enough to get a language arts. So I did get the grammar, the easy grammar, but that wasn't an essential one that they would consider towards your kit. So the 3 categories that I did cover in this kit was history. So we got the story of us and those graphic novels. And then I got science, which was the Buran builders, age of the atomic age. And I did get the thinking, I think the critical thinking, which was this one, the basics of critical thinking. And so that gave me 3 categories so that I could qualify for a kit. And I believe a kit gets you free shipping and maybe free gifts or something like that. So, all right, so that is what I got in my 6th grade Timberdoodle kit. Don't forget to let me know which of these items you would like to see flip-throughs of, reviews of, my opinion of as I look into it further. I will continue to share with you anything that we are using in our homeschool just on a day-to-day basis throughout the year. Once again, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for subscribing and being here with me on this homeschooling journey. I can't wait to see who wins the $30 gift card that I'm giving away 2 weeks from today. And all you have to do to win that is let me know below what you would like to see a more in-depth look at. Thank you so much for coming today, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.